Inside the Huawei P20 Pro there's a Kirin 970 chipset. We saw this perform well in last year's Huawei Mate 10 Pro, so we hope its successor will be able to keep pace with the other flagship phones announced this year. That chipset includes a neural processing unit, which Huawei is putting a big focus on for both the P20 and P20 Pro, as it's at the heart of the artificial intelligence features inside the new phone. A lot of the AI improvements here are within the camera, allowing it, for example, to automatically detect the type of scene you're shooting. We noted that the phone itself was snappy in our limited tests, but we can currently comment on how fast it'll work for day-to-day shooting. There's only one version of the P20 Pro around the world, and it comes with a huge 6GB of RAM working away behind the scenes and 128GB of storage, so you should have plenty of space for all your media and apps. Huawei confirmed to TechRadar that there will be microSD support, but right now we don't know how high-capacity cards will be supported. Android 8.1 Oreo software is on board here, but it looks different to what you'll see on other phones as it comes in the form of Huawei's own Emotion UI 8.1. That's a very specific overlay that comes with a few extra features, including apps like Huawei Share, which allows you to transfer data between your phone and PC easily, but also has a very specific look that not everyone loves. There's a 4,000 mAh battery inside the P20 Pro, which should perform well considering the phone has a well-optimized chipset, so we'll be sure to push it to its limits when it's time for our full review. Huawei's supercharged fast charging technology is packed in here too, so you should be able to charge your phone up speedily as with previous Huawei handsets.